Hi everyone, welcome to Yamchan Food. Today, I'm gonna make a platter of assorted sashimi. We Japanese have a custom of eating fish raw. If you get fresh fish, try eating sashimi with soy sauce and a bit of wasabi. Adding wasabi stimulates your tongue and nose, that's why too much wasabi makes you cry. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. First of all, make a garnish by using white radish. This is one of the Japanese traditional cooking techniques of cutting vegetables into julienne strips called katsuramuki. Garnish of white radish is the absolute requirement for sashimi. Peel it as thinly and evenly as possible. Professional cooks can peel it much thinner. My right hand is getting tired. Cut the radish into as thin strips as possible. Soak the radish in water. Since firefly squid eyes and hard stuff have a bad texture, I remove them like this. Peel the shells and remove the digestive tract from the back of the shrimps. I bought only one side of sea bream this time, so I don't need to remove the guts and scales. Head of the fish and fillet it in 2 pieces. Remove the abdominal bones. Take the skin off. This knife has become dull. Cut the fish into bite-sized pieces. Place the garnish of radish and perilla leaves on a plate. Dish up the sashimi on a platter. Garnish it with slices of lemon. Add wasabi on the plate if you like. A platter of assorted sashimi is ready to eat. You can see the recipe of mustard vinegar miso sauce in the description box down below. Sharpen the knife so that it cuts well next time. Sharpening a knife every time after using is a hassle, so it's the best to sharpen it once in every few times. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!